Hey guys, so I'm back to another Quick Form video. In today's video, we're talking about the Coolpad Suva. So this is definitely a budget device. Like I said, this channel revolves around budget devices, prepaid, uh, basically Boost Mobile, Cricket, or Metro. So let's go ahead and check this phone out. This is on Boost Mobile's website, guys. It's one of the newer ones. So as you know, Boost Mobile usually has sales on them. I might actually pick this up and review it or unbox it or even do a gaming review and see if this thing can even handle it. So this is a Coolpad Suva. It's an elegant design smartphone built with purpose. It features multiple built-in security options for your preference. Quality dual rear cameras to ensure vibrant photos with every shot. Dependable power with the quick charge battery, so you can leave the worries behind, and offer multiple Bluetooth audio pairing for the enjoyable sound experience on the perfect size 6.1-inch HD plus display, guys. So not too bad for $50. You're getting a 6.1-inch HD display. I think that's pretty sweet. So let's keep looking at the key specs. This phone is rocking a 6.1-inch screen, a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel dual camera setup. Talk time is 24 hours. Storage is about 32 gigabytes, or it is 32 gigabytes minus, some user ones. And of course, it's Android 10, guys. So you see, here's the phone, very sleek and cool looking. So you do have a teardrop front-facing camera. So pretty cool. This is gonna be the left side. It looks like. Yep. It's gonna have, that looks like where the SIM card goes. Here's another side angle. So yep, on the left side, that's where the SIM card goes. On the right side, you do have your volume up, volume down, and it looks like your power button. Now the back is pretty cool. It's like a violet purple color. It looks like it's maybe a fingerprint sensor. It is a Coolpad, and like I said, there it is, the dual camera system. It's a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel. It's an AI camera, and it does have a flash. So let's get to this. It says perfect size. So this phone does have a 6.1-inch HD plus notch display. It's not only the perfect size to hold, but also put in your pocket. It's big enough to share a vibrant screen, making it easy to enjoy watching movies, viewing photos, and even playing games. We have to test that out with family and friends. The multiple Bluetooth audio pairing also enhances your audio sharing capabilities. This phone does have a big 3,500 milliamp battery, guys, which is pretty decent for a $50 phone, to tell you the truth. About 24 hours of talk time, which will allow you to call, text, and view throughout your entire day without having to plug in. Pretty bold statements. Now, also, this does have a 13 megapixel, like I said, camera, and a 2 megapixel dual camera setup with a 5 megapixel front facing camera, guys. The flash on both of the front and the back cameras ensure vibrant photos and selfies with each shot. So it's pretty cool. Let's look at some of the specs. Like I said, this does have a 3,500 milliamp battery, guys. It is non-removable, so all you lunatics trying to open these phones up, don't do it. You're gonna mess it up. I am super surprised it has a 3 gigabytes of RAM with 32 gigs of internal storage. You can put up to a 64 gigabyte micro SD card. So 3 gigs of RAM on a $50 phone, that's not bad at all. Processor is a 2 gigahertz octa-core processor, MTK, so MediaTek. Wow. So this does have MediaTek 6762, Android 10. Like we were discussing earlier, guys, it's a 13 megapixel rear and a 2 megapixel as well, with a 5 in the front. Display is a 6.1 inch, and it is a Type C. So pretty cool. See some of the reviews that says, I purchased this phone, I couldn't be more delighted. The phone is a good size and screen is clear. The volume is reasonably loud and clear. I love the Coolpad brand. This phone is a good choice for a budget phone and someone who needs a decent phone on a budget. They recently saw a case for it, but Boost Mobile needs to send it the case that fits the phone. So pretty cool. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what do you think for $50? Like I said, it's $100 normally, but right now it's on sale for half off. You get for $50. Is this a phone you want to get? Let me know in the comments below if you want me to unbox it and all that good stuff. So let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare signing off.